Hello. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our Madani Qaida class. Today we are going to start lesson number 5. Lesson number 5 is about Tanween. What is Tanween? Fathah means two Zabar, two Zair, and two Paish are called Tanween. This sign is called two Zabar. This sign is called two Zair. This sign and called two Paish. These signs are called Tanween. A letter which has Tanween on it are called Munawwan. For example, this letter has Tanween, two Zabar on it, you can see here. So that's why this letter is called Munawwan. Similarly, as you read previous, a letter which has Harka is called Mutaharrik. Is called Mutaharrik. Similarly, a letter which has two Zabar, two Zair, two Pesh is called Munawwan. For example, if the mobile has cover, so we can say it covered, covered mobile. Okay, if we have clothes in the cloth, if we are in the clothes, so we can say weird, black. Skip कर देंगे नो. So all these letters, all these letters are munawwan. That's why these have a tanween on it. Next rule. In fact, tanween is a noon sakina. Tanween is a noon sakina that is at the end of the word. This is why. In fact, Tanween is a noon sakina that is at the end of the word. That's why Tanween sound like a noon sakin. Can you see this one? An. It was Hamza noon zabar an. In. This was Hamza noon zer in. Un. It was Hamza noon pesh un. ठीक है? So Tanween actually is noon sakin. That's why Tanween give the sound of nun sakin. You can see examples here and more enlightened. If I say, for example, tha do zabar than, it was actually tha nun zabar than. ठीक है? This one. Similarly, sin nun zabar sun, sin nun zabar sun. It was sun. ठीक है? That's why it gives the sound of nun sakin. Next rule. Spell out the examples of tanween as follows. Meme do zabar. Meme two zabar कह लें या दो zabar कह लें same. Meme two zabar man. Meme two zer min. Meme two pesh mon. Man min mon. Some people pronounce it meme fathah man. Meme two Kasrah min. Some people pronounce meme kasrah tan min. Some people meme dama tan mun. And some people pronounce meme two zama. mun. ठीक है, as you like easy. Sometimes alif or ya is shown after two zabar. You can see here alif is showing after two zabar, and ya here. This one. ठीक है. Sometime alif, this alif after two zabar, and sometimes ya after two zabar. Shown alif and ya are not pronounced in spelling. ठीक है. Sometimes alif or ya is shown after two zabar. Don't pronounce it during spelling. Okay, let's get started. First box. Okay, now we are going to start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First box. Ta do zabar tan, ta do zir tin, ta do pesh tun, tan tin tun. Ta do zabar ton, ta do zir tin, ta do pesh tun, ton tin tun. You have to make difference between similar sound, ta and ta, a similar sound letters, so that's why we have to make difference. Ta is pronounced in a thin tone and ta with thicker voice. Za, za do zabar zan, za do zir zin, za do pesh zun, zan zin zun. With whistle sound we added. Now without whistle sound. Zal do zabar zan, zal do zir zin, zal do pesh zun, zan zin zun. Next one. La do zabar one, la do zir lin. This one with a thin voice, ठीक है, and this one with thicker voice. One thin, then thick, one, lin, lin. Next one. Dad, do zabar one, dad, do zir din, dad, do pesh dun, dun, din, dun. Tha, do zabar than, tha, do zir thin, tha, do pesh dun, than, thin, thun. Sin, do zabar sun, sin, do zir sin, sin, do pesh sun, sun, sin, sun with whistle sound, and this one without whistle sound. Sad, do zabar son, sad, do zir sin, sad, do pesh sun, son sin sun. Kaf do zabar kan. Kaf do zir kin. Kaf do pesh kun. Kan kin kun. This one with the thicker voice. Qaf do zabar qon. Qaf do zir qin. Qaf do pesh qun. Qon qin qun. This one. Ha do zabar han. Ha do zir hin. Ha do pesh hun. Han hin hun. Next. Ha do zabar han. Ha do zir hin. Ha do pesh hun. Han hin hun. Hamza do zabar an. Hamza do zir in. Hamza do pesh un. An in un. Ain do zabar an. Ain do zir ain. Ain do pesh un. An ain un. Dal do zabar dan. Dal do zir din. Dal do pesh dun. Dan din dun. Kho with a thicker voice. Kho do zabar khan. Kho do zir khin. Kho do pesh khun. Khan khin khun. Next one. Ghaid do zabar ghan. Ghaid do zir ghin. Ghaid do pesh ghun. Ghan ghin ghun. Next one. Ba do zabar ban. Ba do zir bin. Ba do pesh bun. Ban bin bun. Mi do zabar man. Mi do zir min. Mi do pesh mun. Man nin mun. Wow do zabar one. Wow do zir win. Wow do pesh wun. One win won. Like that you have to complete this lesson. So it was today lesson. Please practice it. If you have any question, you can comment. Inshallah, I will reply you. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.